Umentri rangba ke jala Meghalaya konrad ke sangma dakabashim baka jingjia jarngai ki nongwan jengok kai pertai ki bedai Kurim na indoor kedai ke pas newbok ulaong ke Sorkar jelakan Khynra ban lap Jingshisha Halor ki Eiei ki belajia yaki. Habakran sikilat patai kubor din ke jingyalang kenhun menteri haka sautre ujelio araja arpusan umentri rangba ulaong baka jingwat benya kan beteng ban lap ke Eiei ke belajia yaki teki sijur haka jingwan kai honeymoon jongki syakatan sora hadien ke jingatho jongki haka khat waitre ujemmang araja arpusan. Kini kisi Kurim katau Raja Raghuvan si bat ke Kurim jong ke sunam kilawan poi sethan nong riat haka arpo artre ujemmang arja arpusan daka skuti baki simwai na kiting ron pat mi na nong riat haka step ke babud. Ya kamet yap Raja lasai na riat ar liang hajan ka ksat wei saudong haka no pai singi jong ke artre ujelio arja arpusan bat ya kamet yap jong lepen kit che indoor. Henry haduk menta ke jingwat ya ka sunam kadang ya cekmat haki benta balap ya kamet yap ukurim jongka.
Of course, this is a very, very unfortunate incident, and it is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before, this kind of incident. It was taken all of us by surprise and all of us by shock, in fact. Even the local people are very surprised. The local stakeholders in the tourism sector are very surprised and very concerned. So it's something that we actually never expected. We all know that Meghalaya has always been a tourist-friendly area. We've always ensured the safety of tourists. So in the last many years, lakhs and lakhs of tourists have come. So this is something which is very out of the ordinary for us also. Having said that, we are very, very sad, of course, that this kind of incident has happened. And my deepest condolences and respects for the family members. I know it's a great loss for them. But I want to assure the family members that we are working overtime to make sure that we get to the facts and the depth of really what happened. We're all not very clear as of now what the sequence of events were, what happened, how it happened. We are still looking for the wife also of the individual whose body was found. We are also concerned about many factors that are there. But as I said, it's not just the government and the police. The entire society, the entire community and the entire stakeholders have deeply gotten involved in this because now it is, as I said, it is it's a matter that's of great importance to all of us. And let me assure the family members that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure we find out the details of the facts of what really happened, and also try to work as fast as possible to find the other missing person who still we have not been able to find. It is important to get into the facts of the situation, very important, and the truth must come out. Therefore, whatever steps that are required as per the situation, we will take appropriate decisions then. Right now it's too early to say what's happening and how much we know and how much we don't know, because there's so many missing links and factors even now as we speak. So therefore it is very early time or early to say exactly how to move forward in the entire investigation. But as I said, we will leave no stone unturned, and whatever has to be done to get out the facts and to make sure that the people who are responsible for this should be brought to books, the state government will leave no stone unturned. You see, it's an unfortunate incident, and obviously some people may try to bring that into the factor. But we all know that Sora and the entire state of Meghalaya has always been known for pro tourism activities. Yes, there are incidents once in a while that has happened, but at large, overall, we have seen that Meghalaya and its people are very receptive to tourists. Again, I'm saying it with a caveat that yes, there could be one or two incidents in the past also. Nothing major the way it has happened. There could have been past incidents, but majority of the cases, this small incidents earlier, I'm not talking about this is a very big incident, but I'm talking about other old smaller incidents that happened. A lot of things happen in many states, in many countries around the world. In fact, it's not just Meghalaya has faced challenges, and comparatively we have faced less challenges, I should say, and we have been doing far better when it comes to tourism. That's why a large number of tourists, even today, are coming to Meghalaya. So there are challenges. but I'm sure that we will overcome these challenges. Regarding this incident, as I said, yes, it has been a huge, unfortunate incident for us. But as I said, we will move forward, and we will ensure that number one, justice is done, and we will also ensure that number two, that more measures are taken in the future, so that more and more of our community people and systems are enhanced in the future, so that no such incidents should ever happen in Meghalaya again.
Any update on the incident? Home Department must have.
Yes, I have different updates, but I think the best person to give you updates would be the SP himself. So I would refrain from going into that, because he might be having something right now which I may not have. So I will not go into the details. Please go by the SP statement in terms of the latest update about the case.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.